Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is my village. So this is my first day in resuming construction, and this is sand. I just brought sand overnight. So we really struggled because of the road, from the main road. The main road is towards that side, somewhere there, towards that post, electric post there. So this is my village now, and I'll tell you a story. This is where I stay. This is the store where I store my. Intending to store my cereal, or maybe a cow shed. Cow shed is here, and a cow shed, and a store for storing the fodder crops for my animal. So I'm about to remodify this house here into 3-bedroom house with 1 bedroom upstairs, a modern kitchen, 2 bathrooms. So this is my place. This is where currently we use this as a local traditional kitchen. Here, and the cow sleeps here. Also, we cook from here cereals. Okay. So guys, here I have my masons, and they're planning to they're taking measurements for the kitchen. And this kitchen, I want it to have a slab on top, so that I can have water tank on top of it, so that I'll be able to do some small irrigation here in this garden of mine. So here I have a cow. It will be sleeping on this far room. I'll show you. And the far room is a store, almost close to where that mason is sitting, that end. And then here I'll show you a house where I intend to do chicken rearing here. So there's this space for chicken. I had tried quite some time back, but now I didn't manage because of lack of proper fence. See, chicken are all over, and they're interfering with the neighbors. They're eating vegetables. So I decided to hold the business for a while. So I intend to do some chicken farming with I have a cow for milk production. So here I grow some arrowroots. So fundi, hii inaitwaje kwa English? Hii nduma. So these arrowroots here. Arrowroots. Ama inaitwa yams? Arrowroots ni gani? Guys, you will confirm for me and let me know. Are these arrowroots or are these yams? Cassava nizo ziko kando. So also bananas. I planted bananas along the fence. bananas, and here beans. They're almost ready. Yeah. And then there's this indigenous tree. Here I intend to grow it actually for shed. So I don't want this tree interfered with. Yeah. Fundi, hii miti yangu ita nini? Ita interfere na nyumba ama nyumba ita interfere na miti? Ama itamea tu ikuwe shade mzuri? Hiyo kitu mnakata alafu mna nini? Mnakata tu vizuri. Mnakata tu vizuri alafu na mngetolea chini alafu. Mngeng'oa na jembe ndio nini? Ndio nda move ende hiyo side. So these yams or arrowroots. Actually, I want to move them from this side to that side because I have a small water. I don't know if you call it well or a borehole, but I intend to make a borehole here. This water never runs dry. So also I intend to grow some avocados. Avocado. I have avocados all over. So mixed farming. So along this side, bananas with a mixture of cassava. As you can see, this is cassava. So I have cassava along the fence. Yeah, cassava, bananas. Bado hazijamachua. Hizo ndakuja kuziweka mahali huko. Lakini bado imekuja na mzizi tu. Haina shida. Kwanza bwana hii ukienda Kimilili bwana huwezi afford kununua 3 bwana. Kwa wiki moja tu kila siku. Kwa wiki moja tu kila siku. Ni expensive sana bwana. So I'm telling them these arrowroots or yams are expensive. And here the villages, they just available and they look cheap. But just at the next town, which is around $0.1 from here, it's very expensive, and I'm just joking with them, telling them that, you know, it's almost impossible to grow these. I mean, to consume these for breakfast daily for a whole 7 weeks. So along the fence, I grew these trees, but eucalyptus also. But I intend to move away from eucalyptus since they grow too quick, and they grow to a very big tree, which also might fall. It's unstable. Here we usually experience a lot of rain, too much rain, and yeah, the trees can fall. So I'm moving towards indigenous tree growing, so that okay, they take time to mature and they are very stable. Also, they cannot interfere with the soil, the house. See this tree, eucalyptus, it grows to a very huge tree, and the roots, they can even grow towards the house, and they can cause the house to crack. So here in the future, I intend to do construction from this point. We have this shade towards that, and then I want this small path here moving towards this side. Yeah, so I was telling you here, I do some small scale farming, and this is vegetables. Along the fence on that side, I planted napier grass for my cow. Here within, so there's this tree, it's called Saspania. I'll show you. So this side, I want this tree here. It's a fruit. This one here, it's a fruit. We call it white sapota here. So I want this side a mixture of fruits, avocado, white sapota, passion fruit, also all those sorts of fruits growing this upper side. And then this lower side, I want to extend make a comfortable homestead, also do chicken farming, and apart from chicken farming, also cattle, but just for milk. See, buying milk here daily is a bit expensive, so I'm glad I have a cow and a young one. I can't remember how a young one of a cow is referred to, or maybe I can't remember, but I'm a bit anxious, so it's not coming, the word is not coming, but yes, I have a cow and a young one. I think it's a Frisian, yeah, and it provides us with milk enough for drinking and making tea. Tea is an African thing here. So here I'm growing I don't know, here we call it kales, but I don't think this is kales. This one here, this one here, growing this in this space, okay. Kales, this is for vegetables. Yeah, you consume a lot of vegetables, and ugali, vegetables can do with rice, a lot of stuff. So kales and a bit of spinach at the end. Also here, my small sister is preparing a nursery for cabbage. She wants to do that during the dry season so that she can do maybe irrigation. Here I did some small Irish potatoes, 2 lines. Here they're beginning to germinate, as you can see. Some are beginning to shoot, others we are waiting for them. So yeah, also you can see on this other side some small Irish potatoes here and there, and then the farthest end there, I'll show you, I'm farming some bananas. We wanted to try out growing kales on these sacks. Well, somehow succeeded. Okay guys, do you guys know the name of this vegetable? It's very nutritious, it just grows freely here. We don't usually make seedlings for this, but surely grows. Yeah, they grow freely, but very nutritious, rich in iron, vitamin B complex. Yeah, and it's good for iron deficiency and anemia, especially in children. So we grow that. No, we don't grow, they just grow. When the soil is too fertile, they sprout on their own. So, well, you can see, usually grow as weed, but it's vegetables. So on this side, we have some other vegetables actually we've grown here. I don't know the name in English, but we call them managu or sucha. Yeah, growing healthy, like this one here. So also along this line, towards the end, it's bananas, cassavas towards the fence, and also you can see here I'll show you, I have some sweet potatoes growing somewhere inside here along this line, towards the end also. So we have cassava and sweet potatoes growing there. So these beans are planted in phases, this side being a bit late, but the furthest end mature. Also, I did some logging. There are trees that are growing here, and I didn't want those type of trees, so I had to chop them, and I made the wood that I used to